All right, let's take a look at this rotary toolkit. Nice little package, by the way. Easy to store away. Okay, we'll look at this real quick, then we're going to look at the tools that come with it, because that's kind of the fun part. So this is battery powered. It is rechargeable, and thank goodness, by the way, if I had fingernails, I'd be having an easier day. Thank goodness, by the way, USB-C, no weird proprietary charger. Just use the thing. There's a lock position, an on position, and an off position. On makes it spin, off turns it off, and then locks this collet so you can tighten and loosen it to put your tools on. We'll check out the tools. So that's cool. When you turn it on, different power levels, different RPMs, shows you how much battery you got. Nice. The build quality of this feels just fine. It's made of plastic, you know, that's what it's going to be made out of. But I like how this switch here is used to lock this collet in place. That's kind of cool. What do we got here? We got, wow, they give you a lot of these. A lot of these sanding discs, or grinding discs, depending on how hard you're using it. Oh wow, even more of them. Now these are more sanding discs. These are kind of soft, pliable sanding discs. And they're all over the place. Jeez Louise. Now these are more grinding discs. They're a little harder. They don't bend. So grinding or cutting discs. Okay. What else we got? Got a power cord because, God bless them, this doesn't have some weird proprietary charger. It's just USB-C. Why doesn't everybody do that? I don't know. I have a million chargers around here. It's a pain in the neck. And a little carrying case. What do we got here? Some buffing discs. Ooh, like a honing stone. Little brushy boy. Some grinding discs for sharpening. A couple different kinds. A collet for holding on to other things tighter. Okay. Yeah, I like these for like more hard sanding or grinding. A lot of those. More stones. We got stones coming out our ears. Ooh, this one's nice. Look at that. It's a cone-shaped stone. And then these are what you'd attach your little grinder cylinders to. So 2 of those, that's nice. So if you lose one, oh, you can use that for like etching glass, I'll bet you. Oh, they give you so many tools in this kit. A couple little drill bits. Another one for like grinding at metal, or probably ceramic or glass. And this is the one that you'd hook these discs to. A little screw on the top of it. Another little grinder etcher. All right. We got this screw here, or this nail here. We'll take and just see if we can grind off the edge. There we go, down to nothing. Yeah, pretty neat tool. I mean, for the money, with everything you get in this case, seems like a legit way to go for just doing some small projects.